Students love video games. But what if we could harness that passion to accelerate learning outcomes and acquire future career skills? At Cleverlike School, we provide effective ways to integrate video games into education, helping teachers and facilitators leverage this powerful technology to engage students like never before. Video game technology isn't just entertainment. It's the foundation of countless careers in rapidly growing industries. Yet most students engage in game-based learning for years without developing the technical skills that translate into their futures. Let's change that together. Cleverlike School empowers students to thrive by connecting their love of gaming to real-world skills, and we equip educators to make it happen. Our video game skill tree approach builds on the experience students already have and layers on the technical expertise they need for future success. Through scaffolded learning, we take students from foundational creativity to career-level competencies, ensuring their application of game-based technologies develops steadily throughout their educational journey. They'll learn how to use industry-standard tools, expand their creative abilities, and apply new skills, making their core curriculum more engaging and impactful. We are more than educators. We're game developers, curriculum designers, and pioneers in using video games for learning. Our work with Microsoft and Epic Games has made us industry leaders, reducing the friction of guiding students towards positive outcomes through video game technology. Whether you're an educator looking for guidance or a school ready to drive learning engagement to new heights, Cleverlike School has the tools, lessons, and support to make it a success.